Hey everyone, Boomslang back. How you doing? Welcome to the channel. We're getting back into the 1975 Topps binder here, and we're picking up on Series 3. So this is the third video in the series of what looks to be, there's 660 cards in this set. I'm hoping to get 6 videos out of this. If not, then it'll be 5, but oh well. Right now I'm billing it as 6, so this is going to be part 3 of 6. This means it's Series 3 cards, picking up at card number 265. So we left off at 263. We had no 264. So 265 is this Ron Bryant. Now I've already got one in the book, but I'm going to look for something better. This has got a lot of creases and wrinkles. It's hard to see, but once we get the reflection going off of it, you can see the creases in there. This one's got a big crease and a dog ear up here. So that one's out of here. Strike 2. Next, this one's very good. That one's very good. That one's okay. And that one's okay. So we're down to these 2 here. We got some really nice sharp corners, 3 out of 4. And this one has got like 2 out of 4. So we're going with this one here. The back is way off center though. That stinks. Let's backtrack a little bit, see what we can get going here. This back is better centered, but the front isn't as nice. So I'm going to go with tough decision here. I'm going to go with this one. It's okay. It's for my personal collection anyway. So that is not a new card for the set. I've already got it. I just upgraded. 266 is next. 266. If you don't have it, so Sandy Alomar Sr. That's a nice one. This one's got some corner issues. So we've got 2 here to pick from. This is the better, even though it's off center. And again, off center on the back. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. All right, we're going to go with this one. It's got better colors. All right, so now we're going to put this up here because that's where we're going to go. All right, there's no 267, so we're at 268. We have none, so we got to pick out of these 2 here. Hal McRae. We're going to go with this one here. 269, we only have 1. Doug Rowell goes there. And Ron Fairly is 270. This is a very nice one. This is a nice one. Nope, got a little corner issue and some corner issues here. So we're down to 2 again. Centering is nicer on this one. And centering on the back is not as nice as the other one, as usual. Thank you very much. Ay, ay, ay. Got 4 good corners on that one. We've got some nice corners on this one here. These are sharper. All right, we're going to go with this one. It's not centered up on the front as well as this one, but it is better centered on the back. Go figure. We're going to go with this one here. All right. And we're going to replace this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this one out, put it there, and we're going to put this one in. And the reason we're replacing this in is at the end, we're going to see how many cards we're able to add. Not upgrade, just adding cards. All right, next one is this guy, Jerry Moses. Corner issues. All right. And this one's definitely going to be replaced because it is really got some corner issues. So that one's out. We got to choose out of these 2 here. Good centering on both. Front and back. Got a little wax. So we're going with this one here. We'll do that. And there we go there. All right. 72. Nothing there. So Lynn McLaughlin. This is a nice one. This is okay. This is out. This one's way out of there. Out of there. It's got some coloring ink issues. Got some dots on here. It's an okay one. And the centering issue on that. So we're down to 2 again. the final two. I'm going to go with this one because this has some dots here. A little whiting on the corner there. So that is that one. Steve Braun should be next, but let's pull these cards out. Oh, another Lynn McLaughlin. Sorry about that. So there's another one. All right, here's Steve Braun. Now we got to set up the next few. So 132 cards per series with, again, 660 cards. So next one is a Steve Braun. That's okay, and this one's out of there. So we're upgrading this one here. This is out of there. It's got some corner issues. Out of there. This is the better of 3, so it goes in there. All right, next we don't have any for 673, so 674 is next, and that is Vincent Romero. Got some dots there. Dots everywhere on this one here. And this one's got some really nice corners. This has got some ink issues right there. And a corner issue is out. And this, like I said, it's got some ink issues. So we're going with this one right here. And it is a new card, so we will not put it in the binder yet. Next one is 275, Paul Blair. Corner issues. Soft corners. That's a very nice one. Corner issue down here. Very badly corner issues there. Very bad. This one is out, so we're going with this one here. Checking the backs. And we're going with this one here. It's a new one, so we're not putting it in. 676 is next. So, our 276 is next. We don't have it. It's right there. 77. 78 is where we're at now. 278. And that is this Paul Lindblad. Nice card there. Little corner thingy there. Too bad. Corner thingy there. And it's okay, but I guess this is the best one, Paul. You're making it. All right. Next one is 279, 280, 281. All right, so 79 is going to go 76, 77, 78, 79 goes here, and that's a Milton Scott May. That's a good one. That's got centering issues. It's out of here. That's an okay one, and this is very nice too. I think we're gonna go with this one right here, and it's new. All right, the next one is on the new page. It's the Yaz. Which one's better? Neither one's like top dog, top notch. This one's got corner issue. So this one's out. We're upgrading to this one here. Not the best, but maybe it's better than the other one. 81 we don't have, and that's the only one we have, so it goes there. 82 is next. We have 5 of them. All right. So 80, 81's down there. 82 goes here. We got a low battery warning. So 82 is up here. And that's Jerry Morales. Sheesh. Push up corners, but it's got a centering problem. We're going to have to pick out of these 3 here. None of them are which are perfect. Now we're down to 82. We'll go with this one here. All right. It's 82, 83. We'll go with this one here. 84, we don't have. So we'll go with 85. Ellie Rodriguez, that's no go. No go. And a no go. Out of these two. I don't know. Guess we'll go with this one. All right, so there's that one. All right, 286 we don't have. That Jorgensen's messed up, so we're going with that one automatically. No brainer there. 288 is next. That's Bruce Ellingson. No. Maybe. Oh, that's nice, but center. Corner issues. Corner issues. No, corner issues and overall card issues, and same thing there. So we're out of these two here. This is pretty nice. Centering issues. Centering's a little bit better on this one here. But let's get it out of the sleeve and find out what really is going on behind the scenes here. All right, so this is nice. And this is nice. Corners all the way around too. Both are nice. This has a little faded coloring. This is better centered backs. All right, we're going with this one here. So that's that. Okay, we're up to 89. And then 91, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. All right, so we're up to 289. We're going with this one here. Ken Rudolph. We'll go with this one. That one's there. There's no 90, so we go to 91. $90 is that one there, so 91, Bill Sudeikis. We only have one. There's no 92, so here's 93. You're seeing better. Seeing better. We're going with 93. 94 is Zahn. This one's got a big dog ear. So it's out of here. We're going to replace it with this one here. So it's an upgrade, not an addition. Bingo, bango, done. 95, we don't have any, so we'll go with this Veda Pinson. 96, no. This Alan Foster's going to have to be it. Yep. 96, 297, 98, 98, 98, 98, 300, 301, 302, and 303. All right. This is 94. 95, 96, 97. That's where we're at. 297. Do not have it, so we're done there. 298 is Johnny Grubb. We have a few of his. Let's see what we got. That one's okay. That one's, no. That one's big. Nope, got a big fold over there. This one's okay. And we're definitely replacing this one here. This has some corner issues. Let's see what we got in the plastics. So we got this Johnny Grub and this Johnny Grub. Little diamond cutting there, so we're gonna get rid of that one. We'll go with this one here. $98, there's no $99, there's no $300, but we got this Reggie Jackson, number 300. It's got its issues, but there it is. $301, we don't have, so we got to use this one here. $302, we only have one, so we have to use this one here. $303, we've got Grant Jackson. We'll use this one here. $304 is Pittsburgh Pirates. We'll have to use it. Danny Murtaugh. $305, we have 2, 3 number 305s. Nope, that one's out. Between these two here, Jim Corbin's. And we're going to go with this one here. So that one's out. All right, 306, 308, 39, 313. Oh, no, yeah. So, 306. We've got a nice one there. 308 would be the bench and Jeff Burrows. And this is pretty nice, but yeah, we're going to go with this one. We're going to swap this one out. Unfortunately, the one that's in the book has a little dog-eared corner. Even though the one I'm putting in is not as well centered, this has a dog ear right here. So that's it. Sorry about bumping the camera. 309 we don't have, so that goes there. 10, 11, 12, and 13. We have no 313, so that'll be next. 314, we've got 2. Then it goes 16, 17. A lot of 17s. Joe LaHoods. 18. 19. And 320. Alright, we're going to have to plug in the phone because it's going to go dead on me. So let's plug it in now and get it over with. So I'll be shaking going on here, but got to do what we got to do. Alright, so there we go. We're plugged in. It's recharging the phone. We left off at 314, which is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We don't have a 314, so we get to pick one of these. And we're going to go with this Buck Martinez. So no 15. We jump over to the next page, 316. Neither one's good, but go with this Jackie Brown, I guess. Not a good choice, or not a very big choice. Joe LaHood. It's a nice one, I guess. That's off-center cut. It's got some blue at the top. Goes with that. That's got some ink issues. It's got blue at the top on these two here. More than I'm comfortable with. I can probably get away with a little bit, but so it comes down to these two here. Good centering, front and back. We can go with that one. So close. We'll go with this one here. 318 is Ernie McAnally. That's a diamond cut there. That's out. And the better of the two, I guess, is this one here. There you go. 319. Johnny Oates. 319. Yeah, neither one's the best, that's for sure. We'll go with this one here. All right, 320 is Pete Rose. Yep. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 would be there. Pete Rose, we'll go with this one here. 321. 321. 322. Oh, this one goes here. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25 and 26. All right. So 224 is there. So we got 21, 22, 23, 24. So there's no 21. That Rudy May is out of there. That one's okay. And I get down to these four here. Go with this one here. Blue, a little bit of blue, a little bit of blue, not the best, really not the best, really not the best, blue, not the best, you got blue. I guess we're going with this Ed Goodson, okay. 23 goes here, creases. Fred Ellsworth, I guess we're going to go with this one for now. It's south center cut, but I mean, what are you going to do? Go with this one. There. Ed Kranepool is 324. Whoa, what happened here? How'd I get 424 in here? Get that one out of there. 324 is Ed Kranepool. We only have one, so we go with it. 325 is Tony Oliva. All right, so we got one Tony Oliva. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 24. It's right there. So we're starting a new page. 325 is Tony Oliva. 324, Ed Kranepool, Tony Oliva. 325 we did. How about some 326? There's nobody. Guess we'll go with that Twitchell. 327. Jerry Hairston. Jerry Hairston off center. Jerry Hairston. Jerry Hairston. All right, we're going to go with this Jerry Hairston. 327. 328. Sonny Siebert. And a crease. We'll go with this one here. And a 329, which is Ted Kubiak. Big old crease across the center of the card. Let's get a little thing up top. Alright, so we look them over on the back. We'll go with this one here. Get rid of this Ted Kubiak down there. Alright, that was 329. We got 330, 31, 32s, 33s, 34, we got 330, which is Mike Marshall, very creased up, but we don't have any other ones, other Mark Marshalls. So that would go there. 331, we have Cleveland, that's boogered up, so we keep the one that's in the binder. By the way, the binder ones are right there. All right, 332 is Fred Kendall. Out of there, way out of there. Bring these two here, bumping. We're gonna get rid of that one and we'll use that one there. All right, 333, 31, 32, 33. Dick Drago, it's out of here. That's okay. Out of here. So I guess I'm going with this one here. Dick Drago. It's 333. There's no 334. So we got 335. We only got one of them, so it goes. How about some 337s? 38s. 40. And 341. All right, so we're looking at 41, 40, 39, 38, 37. We're at 337. And Kevin Coble. Nope. Very nope. Corner. So we're down to these two. Guess we'll go with this one, and we'll put that one up there. All right, next. And did we miss 338? But we did. We'll go with that one. 338. There. 340. Paul Splittorff. Out of here. Out of here. Out of there. I guess we'll go with that one there. 341. Hal Breeden. I've already got one in there that can be replaced, so we're going to replace it for sure with Hal Breeden. That's like a diamond cut, off-center cut. That's more like centered up. No, miscut action. It's a nicer one. Nope. It's got 4 sharp corners, but Hal Breeden got a corner issue. Corner issue. Get rid of that one. Get rid of that one. It's got a corner. And we'll go with 341. 42. Alright. Leroy Stanton. I mean, that looks pretty good. Corner and a crease. Corner and a crease. Corners. Corners. And some whiting and rounding on the corner. So we got this one here. We'll go with that Leroy Stanton. Next card, 342. 43. 44. 45. 46. And 47. Alright, so we are back. We're looking at 343. Danny Frizzella. And you know what, we're going with this one right here. 344. Ben Ogilvy. We'll go with this one here. About a 345, which would go there. So out of these two, this one here, I guess. Six is Bobby Darwin. That's creased. Some cornering issues here. Nicer. Nope. And no. All right, what's this one got? Got to be replaced. That's what I'm saying. Okay, so that one gets put away. There's no 347s. So let's look them up. Little corner issue. Nope. 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 Faded. Nope. Nope. And nope. So out of these two, I guess we're going to go with this one here. $48, $49, $50, $48 is Tony Muser, $46, $45, $44, $43. $46, $47, $48 goes there. $49 goes there. Ray Sadecki. Alright, we don't have, oops, don't have a Sadecki, so we'll move, put that there. 350 is a Bobby Mercer. 748 for 950 is right there, Bobby Mercer. And a 351, nothing. 352, 53. So 353s, 354s. 52, Knowles. 52 is up there, nobody. 53 is right next door. Nope. Diamond cut, nope. That's nice, but it's centered low. No. And we'll say no to that. We'll put that there. 54. Nope. 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 So we got it down to 2. We'll just put it there. That's 42. All right, 55 starts where? 59, 58, 57, 56, 55. 355 is not Cannizzaro. Not any good. Not any good. We'll go with that. Chris Cannizzaro. 57. Ken Force. That's nice. Not so nice. Not so nice. We'll put that in there. 358. Al Bunbury. Nope. Better. There's 3 good corners. This says 4. So we're going with that Al Bunbury. And we're up to Paul Popovich. Him, he's a replacement player. $59, so 60 is George Scott. Sixty-two, 63. All right, 352. Now, I guess this one here. 60. Whoops, bumping the camera again. 162. That goes there. So this set goes up to what? Anyway, I gotta make sure I don't surpass what we're looking at. So we're at 65 to 396. So we got to go to 396, guys. Let's get going. This video's taking forever. 363. These are some nice cards. I'm going to go with this one here. 63. No, 64. We'll go with that one there. Sorry about banging it. 65 is this guy. Bob Bailey, yeah, creased up. Oh man, not a very good sight there. That's that one. All right, we got 66. 67. 68. 69. So we're up to this guy. 365. 366 is this guy, Ken Sanders. Go with him. 367 is this guy here, Craig Robinson. Sheesh. None of these are really that good. I guess we'll go there. 368. There we go. 369. We'll go with this one here. 370. We've got one Tom Seaver. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 9. So 370 is Tom Seaver. We have none, so that goes there. No 371, so we've got 372s. We have two of these. One's going to be a very slight upgrade. Okay, that's 372, 373, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 81, 81, 81, 81. All right. 373. I guess we'll go with this one here. 72, so that's 73. No 74, so we're going to 375. Roy White. I don't know, 376. 477 we don't have. Not much to look at here, really. 478. Okay. 479, Bernie Carbo. 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 479. 480. And 81. No. It's nice. Nice. Okay. Okay. 381. We got 381 add. 382s. Got that one there. 383 we don't have. 384 we've got 2. We'll go with that one. Okay. 385, 87, 88, 89, 90, 90, 90, 91, 92, and so on. 385 is Doc Ellis. 385, this is 485. Why am I jumping all over? 474, what is going on? Where's the 359, 46, 55, 59, 60, 1, 2, 3, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. So 469, 369. man. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 71, 72. Yeah, we got them. 372s, then we jump to 474. That's one. So we jump the gun again. 372, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 79, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85 is Sparky Law. No, see, 83, 85 is Sparky Law, and we're at 485 and 486, so they've got to be moved. 385, 386 we don't have. 387 is Diamond Cut. 388 is Bill. No. 388 is this guy. 389 is this guy. 391, 92, 93. So we got 393, 94, 95, 96, 96, 96, 396. All right, so we're at 393. Jerry Gentry, where are we at here? We're at 387, 88, 90, 91, 293. So I gotta pick one out of here. We'll go with that one. 394. We'll go with this one. 395. We'll go with that. Buddy Harrelson. Close this. Buddy Harrelson. 396 is Fred Norman. Fred Norman. Fred Norman. Fred Norman. So we'll go with this one here. It's 396. 87, 88, 9, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 96 is the last card there. 396 is there. And then we go into 397. But we are, where's the checklist again? 396 is the last one in this third series. So that's where it's going to end, guys. Sorry it took so long. But 396 is the last card in this set. So we've added, you know, quite a few cards. Probably close to 70, 80 cards we're going to be adding. Anyway, guys, we'll get you back when we recap the whole binder, what we've added, where we're at. But there you go. That's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Boomslang signing out saying peace. We'll see you, Mr. Bud Harrelson, in the next one. No Fighting with Pete Rose. Okay? All right, later, guys.